Juice AI gives us arbitration lawyers the research depth and quality of a full team and the time it takes you to draft an email. My name is Eugénie Caroit. I'm a counsel at Costa Rodrigues Advogados, COSRO, based in Brazil. I am French Dominican, but qualified in New York and in France. My firm, Costa Rodrigues, is a relatively new firm. It's a spin-off from Campos Melody LA Piper in Brazil. We are over 40 attorneys. One of the specificities of the firm is that we are more industry and sector-based rather than organized by departments. So the idea is to provide clients with specific advice in their industry, very, very detailed. Regarding the arbitration practice, we're mostly focused on energy. We do a lot of oil and gas cases, some renewables as well. We have around 10 ICC arbitrations ongoing at this stage, mostly related to construction within the energy and natural resources sector. My firm and my team focuses a lot on energy, especially oil and gas, construction cases. So also before Juice AI, it was difficult to find sector-specific and industry-specific information cases awards. We have a lot of ICC cases, so having the integration with Juice AI and the ICC DRL library helps a lot, and having access to the ICC awards as well. The main challenges was, access to information and not having all the information gathered into one platform. So before Juice AI, it was difficult to conduct research efficiently, and I'm going to give you an example as for tribunal constitution, but other exercises, because information was scattered all over different platforms. So we had to go through different platforms, and even then we weren't sure we had the full picture. Having everything consolidated in one platform, one database, made a huge difference for us. So the reason why we choose Juice AI over other options, there are several reasons for that. So first of all, a lot of our competitors had it, so we would be at a loss not having it. We wouldn't be competitive if we didn't have it. The integration of all the information in one platform made it very easy and seamless for us to conduct research, to consolidate our practice of arbitration. We do have other artificial intelligence tools at the office which we use and other departments use, but we didn't have a specific arbitration-focused AI tool. I think these tools are complementary. I think they work well together, and we use them for different types of research and different types of exercise. I'm based in Brazil, and the firm is based in Brazil, but the firm has international cases. So having access to the case law and different cases and awards help us as well in developing our case strategy. Another thing that made Juice AI very attractive to us is its presence and integration in the Brazilian market. And by that, I mean all the partnerships Jusmundi has with, for instance, CEBAR, CAMCE-CBC, which provides us access to cases, to information that is Brazilian, that makes it very useful for us, having both the international dimension and the Brazilian specificities inside to it. Another aspect that was really attractive to us is the ICC DRL access, because we have approximately 10 ICC active cases, and having everything within one platform, but also having the AI part and the combination of AI with the ICC DRL is extremely useful for us and makes our lives easier as we navigate through these 10 complex construction cases that are ICC cases. We use Juice AI in different stages of an arbitration, and I want to take the example, for instance, of tribunal constitution. For a tribunal constitution, it takes time because it's one of the most important steps of an arbitration, and we need to have information on the arbitrators. And Juice AI has made it, I think, 50% faster for us to complete that exercise, because the integration within one platform, but also the tools themselves, the filters, being able to navigate using different institutions, having everything consolidated, having commercial cases, investment cases, having articles as well. It just makes it so much faster. Sometimes research that would take 5 days, 4 days is now taking 1 or 2 days. So that really makes a difference because we're able to focus on actually analyzing the results of this research and assessing whether, despite what the research says, we want to appoint a candidate or we want to, there's objections to be made. So that has been a game changer for us. Another impact we've seen in how we use JustMundi and Just AI in our practice is also when preparing the written submissions. The team, and this goes from interns to partners, uses Just AI to analyze sometimes and assess the quality of other parties' submissions, see that we haven't missed anything. Also just conduct research on very specific points, and given that it's constantly updated, we're certain that we haven't missed anything. We do have very specific issues arising in our cases, but specific issues under Brazilian law that you see in different cases all over. So I'm thinking force majeure, I'm thinking hardship, I'm thinking, other issues that you see in construction cases and infrastructure cases. So I think having everything together and having quality as well. An important point to bear in mind is that obviously Just AI is very fast, but it also provides you quality results. Another very positive thing about Just AI, at least, I see it personally, is having the research plan laid out. For me, it's sort of a brainstorming. I see what Just AI is doing, how it's thinking, and it's really helpful to, first of all, assess it's going the right way. And other than that, just sometimes it makes me think of other points I hadn't thought of. So that's why I'm saying it's really like a brainstorming at the same time as safety check. JustMundi's publications and libraries are very unique because they don't only have primary sources, so awards, but also they have secondary sources. With Just AI, I no longer have to switch platforms to find the doctrine that supports the interpretation of the award I'm looking at. You have an ICC case, you have ICC DRL, you have everything. You have a civil law stated arbitration, you have revue de l'arbitrage, but you also have OUP, BRIL, ICC DRL, so you have everything gathered into one platform. Just AI helps us bring client value in a unique manner because it allows us to have a faster turnaround, which allows us to focus on other more substantial and more substantive tasks that are more valuable for the client, and it strengthens our relationship with the client. I think another very important point is that our clients expect us to be able to use the best technology available to represent them in their cases, and as it stands, Just AI is that best technology available in arbitration. Clearly, thanks to Just AI, we're able to build and strengthen our client relationships. At a firm level, I see a lot of benefits, but I want to talk about two. The first is really bringing us to the level of bigger firms that are already established. We are removing a structural disadvantage because, we are getting to their level, although we're a new firm. So I think that's very competitive and that's excellent for our firm. Also because simply the time we have freed from research is spent in other tasks such as, advocacy, drafting, business development. So it's really great for our firm as well.